Welcome to Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 4 Simple Equations. Here are the solutions of exercise 4.1, question 1, 2 and 3. Let's move to first question. Exercise 4.1, question number 1, second part. X plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 0. We have to check whether the equation is satisfied by the given value. X plus 3 equal to 0. If x equal to 0, substitute the value in the place of x. We get 0 plus 3 equal to 0. That is 3 not equal to 0, LHS not equal to RHS, hence the equation is not satisfied. Next, question number 4, x minus 7 equal to 1, x equal to 7. The given equation is x minus 7 equal to 1. If x equal to 7, we can substitute the value of x. 7 minus 7 equal to 1. That is 0 equal to 1. That means 0 not equal to 1. LHS not equal to RHS. Hence the equation is not satisfied. Next, question number 11. M upon 3 equal to 2. M equal to 6. Given equation is m by 3 equal to 2. If m equal to 6, in the place of m substitute the value 6. So we get 6 upon 3 equal to 2. That is 2 equal to 2 means LHS equal to RHS. Hence the equation is satisfied. Next, question number 2a. N plus 5 equal to 19, n equal to 1. Here we have to check the given value of n is the solution of the given equation or not. The same as first question we can solve. Given equation is n plus 5 equal to 19. If n equal to 1, substitute the value for n. So we get 1 plus 5 equal to 19. That is 6 not equal to 19. LHS not equal to RHS. Hence n equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Next question 2b. 7n plus 5 equal to 19 for n equal to 2. Given equation is 7n plus 5 equal to 19. If n equal to 2, substitute the value for n. So we get 7 into 2 plus 5 equal to 19. 14 plus 5 equal to 19. That is 19 equal to 19. LHS equal to RHS. Hence n equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation. Question number D. 4p minus 3 equal to 13. P equal to 1. For given equation is 4p minus 3 equal to 13. Now substitute the value of p. So we get 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 13. 4 minus 3 equal to 13. That is 1 not equal to 13. Hence LHS not equal to RHS. So P equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Next, question number 3. Solve by trial and error method. Question 2. 3m minus 14 equal to 4. Given equation is 3m minus 14 equal to 4. Trial and error method means we can substitute the values to m, and whenever LHS equal to RHS, that is the solution of the given equation. So we can start with m equal to 1. So we get 3 into 1 minus 14 equal to 4. That means 3 minus 14 equal to 4. That is minus 11 not equal to 4. LHS not equal to RHS. Now we try with the m equal to 2. So 3 into 2 minus 14 equal to 4. That is 6 minus 14 equal to 4. Minus 8 not equal to 4. LHS not equal to RHS. So m equal to 2 is not a solution. Next we try with the m equal to 3. So 3 into 3 minus 14 equal to 4. That is minus 5 not equal to 4. LHS not equal to RHS. Hence m equal to 3 is also not a solution. Next try with m equal to 4. That is 3 into 4 minus 14 equal to 4. 12 minus 14 equal to 4, or minus 2 not equal to 4. LHS not equal to RHS. Next we can try with m equal to 5. 3 into 5 minus 14 equal to 4. 15 minus 14 equal to 4, or 1 not equal to 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. Next we can try with m equal to 6. So 3 into 6 minus 14 equal to 4. Or 18 minus 14 equal to 4, that is 4 equal to 4. Here LHS equal to RHS, hence m equal to 6 is the solution of the given equation. Thank you.